File, New, General, Border Selection Mode. Left click, drag mouse, select all. Left click to deselect all. In the edit mode, click anywhere, left click anywhere to deselect. Left click, drag to select all object, but rear side not selected. But in this mode, wireframe mode, left click and select, drag to select all object. So we want to select all object, left click and drag to all object. But in solid mode, left click, drag, we can't be select all object. X to delete, Shift A, mesh, U sphere, edit mode, A twice to deselect all. If we want to select border select to select all object, but rear side we can't be select. Okay, A twice. In the wireframe mode, border selection mode, we can select all object. Okay, then press 1, A twice, select border selection mode, then C. We select the one circle edge. Okay, and then A twice, click C, press C to see the circle selection mode. Now left click to select all edges. Okay, in wireframe mode and then enter. In the wireframe mode, selected all edges. Okay, A twice. But see in the edit solid mode, press C and left click, mouse left click to select, mouse scroll wheel to scroll wheel. Through the scroll wheel we can change the size of circle selection mode. Okay, then enter. Now see what not selected the rear faces. Okay, now A twice and see in the wireframe mode, press C and click. Okay, then enter. Now see all objects are selected, so we can use press 1. Now A twice, press C. We want to this. Okay, now enter and see rear side. Okay, now press 7, A twice, press C and click. Now enter and C. Now press X, delete vertices. Now see the solid view. Okay. Now select airframe mode, press 1, border selection mode, and then F, C, one face added, as well as in the wireframe mode, press 1, A twice, border selection mode, click here, and then click solid view, and then F. Okay, now we are seeing the object mode. Okay, okay.